Hello my dear student, welcome back to your science class. Now I came to know regarding some of the children asking your parents to tell you the answers. The question that I gave you for doing, those are the revision questions that are generally based on the topic taught in the class. If you are asking the answers from the parents for help, it is okay. But if you are not able to do the answers or you are not understanding, that means you are not seeing the videos properly. So it's a very clear thing. Go through the videos properly. Listen it twice, thrice if you don't understand. Then if you are having understanding problem, ask ma'am. The main exercises and question answers will be given by me. Clearly, I'll explain them also and I'll write also. But like every day I'm explaining you the chapter and sending you the videos. Along with that, I ask you a question on the basis of the explanation done in that video. Like in the last class, I told you that plants give us food grains, yes or no? Then along with that, we told you that the food grains are such as cereals and pulses, yes or no? So I asked you a question, give the names of 3 cereals and 3 pulses. So that means you have not gone through the last 2 classes. The name of the cereals are rice, wheat, maize and oats. It is given in the PDF also on page. It is clearly on the page 17. Then pulses, chickpea, chana, green gram, moong dal, kidney beans, rajma and lentils. Lentils, that means masoor dal. So these all are the examples of cereals and pulses. Then we studied that plants give us oil like coconut, sunflower oil. Then we studied also in the last class about the various fibers. Yes or no? Cotton plant, jute, hemp, coconut plant, these give us fibers. Cotton to make clothes, jute to make bags, hemp to make sacks, bori and ropes is made from coconut plant. Then we also studied that plants give us wood. Now I gave you an answer. Give the name of 5 things that are made from the wood given by plants. So what is that? That means that things are made of wood. Your house is having a table made of wood, chair made of wood, furniture, sofa set made of wood, doors made of wood, and even the pencil that we write, the outer part is made of wood only. Inside you have that black color lead or graphite or whatever is there to write, but outside part is of wood only. Yes or no? Most of the time the dooms and Natraj pencils that you are using, the many wood toys you have, yes or no? And then I ask you to draw. So it is not that difficult. You go through the classes clearly, beta, everyone. Then next time you will tell mama and papa that we have gone through the classes, we have understood and we will do the question and answers on our own. These are simple revision questions. Now you remember I told you that plants give us medicines, yes or no? So then we studied that plants give us beverages. For medicines, the name of the plants were aloe vera, neem, amla, turmeric, yes or no? These are very beneficial. Then plant give us beverages like tea leaves, coffee beans, cocoa beans and sugar. Sugar we get from sugarcane. Then further we studied that from plants we get paper, rubber and gum. So what do you mean by that? That means from bamboo tree we get paper. From rubber tree we get a juice which is used to make rubber. Then from trees like bell and drumsticks, what is used? The juice is taken out from them and that extracted juice is used to make gum. The extracted juice is used to make gum. Now in further we will study more things that we get from plants. Before that, you remember I gave you an amazing fact. Let's revise it. There are around 2000 different plant types that human use to cultivate food. Now for food, 2000 different kinds of plants are cultivated by us, by humans. Now some plants give us perfumes also. There are some plants which have flowers that give a very nice smell. You must have experienced that, like jasmine, rose, yes or no? These plants are used to make perfumes. Many of us use perfumes. Your parents must be using perfumes. They are in a very nice, beautiful bottles, and they are used for spraying on a body to get a nice fragrance. Some perfumes are used as room fresheners. Yes or no? So, now let's read it. Some plant parts like flowers and leaves are used to make perfume. Flowers of some plants like rose and jasmine have sweet smell. Sweet smell means soothing smell, nice smell they have. These flowers are used to make perfumes. These flowers are used to make perfume. So, like I told you that flowers like roses and jasmines, they have very nice smell. If you feel, you see sometimes there is a rose flower at your home or a jasmine flower at your home, and when they are at your home, you do not need to go somewhere for having the smell. They are nearby you and you stand near them, you get a very nice smell. So that means they have a very strong smell. These flowers are gone through a particular process and then used for making perfumes. Now, plants beautify our surrounding. Yes, you can see in your house nearby plants are there and flowers are there. So they beautify the surrounding. They may add beauty over there. If you see a place where there is no plant at all, barren land is there, it looks very bad. And if when there is lot of flowers and everything, it's look beautiful. Plants are also, now plants beautify our surroundings. Some plants are grown to decorate and beautify our homes, schools and the roadside. Now, other uses of plants. There are many other uses of plants. They are not only they give us things. There are many other uses. The biggest use is what? Plants give us oxygen to live on the earth. Then, plants are also home to many animals. Yes, you know birds and all. So, mainly the birds have their house or their nest in the plants only, on the branches of plants. Birds, insects and some animals live on plants. Plants give us oxygen and they absorb carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a kind of a gas in the air or in the atmosphere which is not good for our health. So plants absorbs it. Plants give us oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide. Thus they make the air fresh and cool. Fresh air is good for our health. So plants are very useful for us. We should plant more and more trees to make the environment clean, green and healthy. Yes, it is the most important thing. You know, lot of pollution is there. So who can save us from pollution? Plants. So we must plant lot more trees. I told you right now you cannot go out. Nowadays it is lockdown. You cannot go out of your house to put plants in, to grow more plants. But at your home, whatever plants are there, take care of them. Give them water timely. Go in the garden with your parents, papa or mama, whosoever is having time, go with them in the garden. Then see if there is any plant whose leaves are dying, you can remove, you can help them to give water to them. Yes or no? And you can also help them to set the plants properly. Go only with them and then do out these things. You will feel very nice. You will not even feel bored in the lockdown. So today what we studied, that plants give us perfumes, roses and jasmines. Plants with such flowers gives nice smell flowers and they are processed and perfume is made from them. Then plants add beauty to our surrounding. Yes or no? Different types of plants are used to decorate the area. Then plants are home to many birds and animals. It gives us oxygen. It absorbs carbon dioxide. They make the air fresh. They make the air fresh and cool. Along with that, these plants are very useful for us and we must add more and more green plants to make our city clean, to make our environment clean, green and healthy for us and for animals also. Okay, so what all plants give us? Plants give us grain, it gives us oil, it gives us medicines, it gives us beverages, it gives us wood, it gives us fibers, it gives us vegetables, it gives us fruits. It gives us fruits. So, can you see a small word B? You will write 20 difficult words. 20 difficult words from the chapter in this word be. Okay, you can write a column word be, and then you can write 20 difficult words. You will read the whole chapter, and you remember I gave you difficult words like oxygen, carbon dioxide, environment, perfumes, drumstick, then rubber, bamboo, beverages, medicines, cooking, matchstick, furniture, ropes, pulses, cereals, chickpeas, kidney beans, carrot, sugarcane, spinach, almond, walnut, cabbage. So there are so many difficult words. You will go through the chapter and then you will write the difficult words. So till then, read the chapter, go through the explanation. If in the previous class, go through the previous class explanation also. And in the next class, we will start with the exercises. Till then, go through the chapter, write difficult words and also learn those difficult words. Okay? Take care. See you in the next class. Bye, children.